PayPal not accepting the debit card. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know why your PayPal is not accepting your debit card. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So first of all, go to the PayPal app, then click on these three lines. After clicking onto these three lines, there will be screen appear. From this screen, select this option, Add Banks and Card. After that, click onto this debit and credit card option. Then this screen will appear. Then click onto the enter your card info. Here you will able to add your card details. So enter your card details. The most of the reasons in which PayPal is not accepting your card is because of the expiration date. Like say for example, if your expiry date is already been passed, so PayPal will not accept your card. So in this case, you will have to contact your PayPal customer support or to issue a new debit card. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment box. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe.